In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to can I print multiple check stubs in QuickBooks Desktop. If you need to produce several stubs at once, whether for payroll, reimbursements, or vendor payments, this quick workflow will save you time and help keep your records clean. Start in QuickBooks. Desktop at the top menu bar. Open the File menu, move down to Print Forms, and choose Checks. This takes you to the Select Checks to Print window. At the top of that window, pick the correct bank account. This matters because QuickBooks only shows checks that are marked to be printed for the account you select. If you don't see what you expect, double check you're on the right account and that the checks are queued to print. You'll now see a list of checks waiting in that print queue. Mark the box beside each check you want to include. You can select several at once, so feel free to scroll and mark everything you want to batch. A quick tip, take a moment to confirm dates, payees, and amounts right here so you catch any outliers before paper hits the printer. When you're ready, click OK to proceed to the Print Checks window. Here, under Check Style, choose Voucher. Voucher Style prints the check along with the stub details, typically one check on top and one or two detachable stubs below, depending on your paper. This is the format that provides the detailed breakdown your recipients expect, and it's the easiest way to produce multiple check stubs in a single run. Before you print, confirm your printer settings. Make sure the correct printer is selected, the paper size matches your voucher check stock, and the orientation is set properly. If you haven't printed checks from this printer before, consider doing a quick test on plain paper to verify alignment against your pre-printed stock. Small adjustments now can prevent misaligned dates, amounts, or memo lines later. Also, ensure your check paper is loaded consistently. Face, top edge, and tray settings can vary by printer model. Once everything looks good, click Print. QuickBooks will send the batch to your printer and generate all of the selected vouchers in one go. Review the output as it comes out of the printer to confirm clarity and alignment, and keep the stubs you need for your files while distributing the copies to employees or vendors as required. And that's it. By opening Print Forms, selecting the right bank account, marking multiple checks, choosing the voucher style, and confirming your printer settings, you can print multiple check stubs in one efficient batch. Thanks for watching, and happy printing in QuickBooks Desktop.